Dry fitting tiles before permanent installation in a bathroom prevents costly mistakes and ensures a balanced, functional layout. Start by cleaning and leveling the subfloor so tiles sit flat and gaps are predictable. Measure and mark a center line from the doorway to the far wall and a perpendicular line to create a reference cross so your layout is symmetrical. Dry lay whole tiles along those lines with appropriate spacers to establish grout joint widths and adjust until edge and cut tile sizes are acceptable. Aim to avoid very narrow edge strips less than 1 1/4 inches. Work outward from the center toward walls and fixtures, keeping a consistent pattern and stagger if using a running bond layout. For diagonal or complex patterns, frequently step back to check alignment visually. When a tile meets an obstacle like a toilet flange, niche, or threshold, mark the cut on the tile while it is in place, then remove and cut using the correct tool, either a wet saw for straight cuts or a tile nipper and sanding stone for curves, and always wear eye protection. Stack and number tiles in installation sequence so each one can be returned to its exact dry fit location after thinset is applied, and take clear photos of the completed dry layout as a backup reference during setting. Common issues include ending up with a very narrow edge tile that looks awkward and is hard to cut, which you avoid by shifting your starting line so both opposite edges have similar cut widths. If one side becomes less than 1 1/4 inches, realign the layout toward the doorway. Another frequent problem is tiles that do not sit flat because of subfloor high spots or debris. Fix this by rechecking and leveling the subfloor, sanding or grinding high spots, and keeping the work area clean so the dry layout reflects true contact. The third is losing the intended sequence and orientation during installation, which causes pattern mismatches. Prevent this by numbering stacked tiles, making reference marks on backs if needed, and using photos so you can restore the exact order when you apply thinset. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real project tips and user experiences related to tile work and contractor selection. We help contractors find jobs by giving them visibility to homeowners seeking help and a place to participate in project conversations.